I've queued for Wales, of course. Just like anyone else who's ventured into Cardiff on International Day. Queued for a programme, queued for a cash machine, queued for the toilet, queued for a hot dog, queued for a drink. It's the sort of day when people seem to feel their role in life is either to join one or to cause one. Terry Davis used to get involved in it as well, and he was in the team.
What I remember about this area was the large number of people that was in it, all wearing flat caps. It would be a sea of flat caps, all the way from one end to the other.
You go step from one to the other?
Yes.
I see. Hi boys, right? Things have changed since your day. When was your first cap?
1953.
And when did you come up then? Not 3 days before or anything like that?
No, it was the morning of the game. You'd come up on a Saturday morning. It would be the 8:30 bus from the village to Swansea High Street, and then the 9:30 from Swansea with about 2,000 supporters, all waiting in the station. And we were talking about a queue. If you were at the end of that queue, you wouldn't have a seat.
I bet. I bet.
Have your tickets on display, please.
It's still only the ticket holders who can afford to look a little bit relaxed. Adopt a nonchalant stance at the hot dog stall. And that's because the queue to get a ticket has always been a little bit different. It happens before the day itself. And it's a matter of working your way from someone who knows someone to someone who knows someone who knows someone who might have a spare. Funny thing, when I was younger, that particular line always led to a dentist surgery in Ammanford. And thence to the final push towards the inner sanctum.
This is where it gets a bit tight here now. Squeeze in here through the turnstiles. Mind you, if you're over 20 stone, there is an alternative, the Podgy Gate. I think I still just about qualified. Don't push, I'm free.